Can you hear me now?
Yes, I hear you. Do you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
I have tried to call to your number, but the call is not going through. And can you repeat again?
I'm 29 years old.
Oh, you are 29.
Yeah, but you're 16, right?
Russia?
Okay. Let's scratch my head. Okay, how? Tell me, please.
Okay, you have to open. There are a lot of ad account which is connected with this page. Okay, but when I check under this ad account, you do not have a role for the ad account.
Yes, that's right.
But do you know the ad?
Abby, I crush on you.
Sorry?
I crush on you. I crush on your boy.
Or I will try to send your email.
Okay. What is your available time work?
Around this time zone.
Okay.
Mhm.
I will contact in this time only.
If I off means how?
Thank you, Abby.
Um, hello.
Hello. Tonight maybe I don't sleep. I miss your voice so much. Remember in my brain right now.
Oh my god. Okay.